one doesn't need to talk about parathas. We from India or the Indian subcontinent, we are fond of parathas, and it is one of the uh, very popular and most staple breakfast items. This shop in Bardubai is one of the busier ones during the breakfast, and which hours start at somewhere around 7:15, and people go late up to 11:30 even, eating breakfast, and mostly, I would say 99% of the people would have parathas, uh, just with tea or maybe with a sabzi or curry, sometimes even with eggs or other nihari and stuff like that. And I have been having my breakfast here for quite some time now, and I have always marveled at this. I don't know what to call him. This person who makes these parathas relentlessly, starting from that 7:15 or 7 o'clock in the morning till 11:30, and he just keeps on making them one after another, and with a with an incredible level of skill. I'll tell you why I marvel at this man. I'll explain myself. This man delivers one paratha after another, absolutely customized for different customers. Some will be kadak, which is a little crispier. Some will be softer. Some would be without oil. Some would be with a filling, aloo paratha. And there are so many orders coming in, and he just keeps on delivering them. I mean, this is something absolutely incredible. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please, I'll be happy to hear from you. Stay cool, friends.